This is the CBR500R, the brand new edition from 2017. Yep. Look at this back. Damn good. It's brand new. I always got it from 3 days ago. It's damn nice. I'm installation a brand new exhaust, rear hooker. Damn nice. Whoop up. This bronze is fine too. I like it to be gold instead. This front view, hell good. Looks so badass. Can you see? Yeah. Damn fine bike. No money. Display is nice and clean. Fine. CBR 500. Just when you buy a new bike and you're a beginner, buy I think a 500 and 600, so do not get tired of it. I've ride the Ninja 300 and Yamaha R3. They feel so small bikes, you get very bored really quickly. And the tires here is 116 back and 120 on the front, so it's not small tire you see in the little bikes. No, it's damn fine. I like in the future remove this and make it shorter.